In this video, we will go through how to fit the rescue kit on your Waterlock system. The rescue kit is required if the valve controller has shut off the water and will not reopen. For example, if the batteries are flat in the valve controller. The rescue kit allows you to control the mains water directly through the valve. Firstly, you will need a bucket or bowl to hand along with your Waterlock Rescue Kit. The installer should have left this in a memorable place. Next, you will need to locate the valve controller, which is usually near your stopcock. Before going any further, it's important to have a bucket or bowl underneath the valve controller to catch any excess water from the blue pipes. To fit the rescue kit, we need to remove the two blue hoses located at the bottom of the valve controller. Take the hose removal tool and gently push against the grey coloured rings. With your other hand, pull the hose free from the bottom of the valve controller. This is where you may need to catch some excess water. Repeat with the other hose and then connect the end of each hose with the bypass connector, like so. Your rescue kit is now fitted, and this will allow you to control via the valve located next to your stopcock. We hope you found this video useful. If you would like any further help, then please follow the link to our website at the end of this video.